Just how much testosterone do men really need? Trouble conceiving, fatigue, erectile dysfunction, and hair loss are all common symptoms of low testosterone. Advertisement from a booming testosterone industry remind us of this constantly, as do food and fitness hacks touted by so many influencers. Professional opinions on the right levels of testosterone for men vary widely even among tenured experts. No wonder so many men obsess over their testosterone levels. A new study aims to clear up what can be defined as low testosterone by outlining the differences in testosterone through age. The new study, published in the Journal of Urology, argues that the standard cutoff point for clinically low testosterone levels in men needs to be adjusted. The reference to the journal will be listed in this video's description. This study urges a new testosterone threshold. There is currently a single cutoff for low blood testosterone, which is 300 nanograms per deciliter. But the study researchers argue that what counts as low testosterone depends on a man's age, which was an aspect previously overlooked because most data collected came from men over 40. How much testosterone a cisgender man has in his body measured through a blood test can change throughout his lifetime. For most men, their testosterone level starts to decline around age 30 to 40 as the glands that produce testosterone, including those in the testicles, start slowing down. Testosterone levels also drop when a man becomes a dad, which may have an evolutionary root in the dad giving up hunting for new mates and instead becoming a family man, increasing the survival of his baby. Before that decline begins, normal testosterone levels range from about 264 to 916 nanograms per deciliter. But different studies over the years have yielded slightly varying results of what normal ranges can be. The study found that men with testosterone levels between 400 and 600 nanograms per deciliter had a lower risk of cardiovascular disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes compared to those with levels above 600 nanograms per deciliter. This finding has sparked a fiery debate among experts, with some suggesting that the current guidelines for testosterone replacement therapy may need to be revised. The result of this study challenges the long-held belief that higher testosterone levels are always better for men. The traditional thinking has been that testosterone replacement therapy should aim to achieve levels in the mid to high range of what is considered normal, which is typically between 300 and 1000 nanograms per deciliter. Testosterone is known to play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of male physical characteristics, such as facial hair, deep voice, and muscle mass. It also helps regulate bone density and red blood cell production. In addition, testosterone is important for men's sexual function and libido. Low levels of testosterone can lead to erectile dysfunction and decreased sex drive. For these reasons, testosterone replacement therapy has been used to treat men with low testosterone levels. There are also potential risks of having high testosterone levels. High levels of testosterone have been associated with various health problems, such as cardiovascular disease, prostate cancer, and sleep apnea. In addition, high levels of testosterone can lead to acne, hair loss, and aggressive behavior in some men. However, it's worth noting that the evidence for these risks is not definitive, and more research is needed to fully understand the potential consequences of high testosterone levels. The FDA has issued warnings that testosterone therapies can increase the risk of heart failure. The scientific jury is still out on other effects of the therapy and other treatments for testosterone levels. This is definitely an area of research to keep track of and stay informed. References will be listed in the video's description.